Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about folder grids on Wix.com. As you can see guys, these folders are in grid and I want to see these folders as list. Then how will I change my folder grid view? So guys, as you can see, there are two buttons which are right side on the screen: grid view and a list view. So these are for folder views, how you want to see your folders. If you want to see your folders in grid view, then you can go with this option, and if you want to see your folders in list view, then you can go with this. So guys, these are two options for grid and list view. This is as per your choice and you can change it whenever you want. So guys, this is how to change grid view on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.